How's it going? So look, when you have a persistor set up, which is in here, you see we have a persistor reducer, and we are using query. What's going to happen is the query is going to come from the local storage. Look, you see we have the query and we have all the information in here. So if we refresh, query will still be here. So you see this number here does not change. BPG, we can close, it doesn't matter, the query is still going to be the same. You see this, the serial number is the same. Okay, so the next question is, how do we detach? So let's say, I don't know, we want to refresh the query on reload. So the way to do that is, one sec. So there's two ways to do it. You see, in every single query there is a refetch function, so you can trigger that on load. Right, so the way we're doing it, we're just using use effect, and then on load is going to refetch. That's one way of doing it. So you see now the request ID is now changing. So every time we reload, it's going to fetch a new one. Likewise, if we try to, well, it serializes, so it's only going to work on reload, because look, you see, if it's only on reload. We can, of course, we cannot count in here, so if count changes, then refresh, but overall, only on the first render, it's going to refetch. Alright, so the second way of doing it is, it's basically identical to this, only we're using use lazy query. So on load it doesn't trigger, and then you trigger it whenever you want, so the data is always fresh, but you have to click a button to do that. But the easiest way to do it would be just through this, and that's it. Okay, take care, bye bye.